In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with ClickUp using Zapier. This will help streamline your workflow, making it much easier to manage tasks across both platforms seamlessly. Let's dive right in. We'll start by creating a Zap in Zapier. For those who are new to this, Zapier is a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and automates workflows between them. So the first step is to open Zapier in your web browser. Once you're there, look for the option to create a Zap. This is where the magic happens, as it sets the foundation for linking Airtable and ClickUp together. Next, you need to choose a trigger from Airtable. Triggers are events that start a Zap, and this is an essential part of making sure your integration works smoothly. Some common triggers you might select include new record, updated record, or new form submission. With one of these triggers, your Zap will know when to start the workflow based on changes or additions in your Airtable database. Now let's connect your Airtable account. If you haven't done this before, Zapier will guide you through the process, ensuring that your Airtable data can be accessed safely and securely. Afterward, you'll choose which specific Airtable base and table you want to link. There's also an option to select a particular view, which can help narrow down which data the Zap should monitor or modify, though this step is optional. Moving on, let's add a ClickUp action. This action is what happens once your trigger event occurs. In this case, you can choose from several options like create task, update task, create comment, or even change status. Each of these actions will help you manage tasks in ClickUp according to the data changes in Airtable. The next step involves mapping fields between Airtable and ClickUp. Mapping helps ensure that information is passed correctly between the two apps. For instance, you might map an Airtable field named lead name to the ClickUp field task name. Similarly, notes in Airtable might correspond to description in ClickUp, and due date could be directly mapped to ClickUp's own due date field. The key here is to ensure that the fields you select reflect how you want the data to travel between these platforms. Finally, it's time to test and publish your Zap. Zapier provides tools to test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Once you're confident that everything is set up properly, turn your Zap on, making the integration live. And there you go. Your Airtable and ClickUp are now connected, and the integration is up and running. By following these steps, you've set up a dynamic workflow that saves time and reduces manual entry errors. This will give you more time to focus on what really matters. Thanks for following along, and happy integrating.